It's a new year.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica, as you probably already know, because today marks my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's kind of special. I tried to set up my room just like how I had it in my first video. You can see like my candle, my desk here and everything. And I still have the candle from my first video. Happy New Year. I know by the time I upload this, it will have already been New Year's. I'm actually filming this on New Year's Eve because I made sure that I would film this video on this day because I filmed my first YouTube video on this day last year. So by the time you guys see this, it will have been exactly 1 year since I uploaded my first YouTube video. I know, it's crazy. Before we even start with the video, I just want to say thank you because this year has been so crazy for me. I started this year with 0 subscribers, first of all. So basically, I just wanted to say thank you because now I have 300,000 subscribers, and that's just like insane to me because these are real people who value what man, I'm so bad at words, but I took some notes so I could try and make this video more organized. A lot of you guys have asked me about advice for starting YouTube, and honestly, I'm not really comfortable giving advice. I feel like I'm not really an expert on this, but I'm just gonna tell you what I've learned, like what setup you need, like stuff like that. So I'm just gonna tell you everything that I know. What I've learned this year is to not address hate or try to find it. Really, if you think about it, what do you gain from it? Like, what do you gain from addressing hate? First of all, it's just gonna like be a temporary moment of satisfaction. Like, I got the last word or whatever, but really you never get the last word. Like, when you address it, you just reveal how vulnerable you are, or like if something hit your like weak spot or something. So really, there's no point in addressing hate. And also, like, what do you gain from trying to find it? If you're looking to improve yourself by reading hate comments, that's not the way, because you're just gonna tear yourself apart and feel like trash, basically. So another thing I've learned is that I will actually influence people. Well, obviously as an influencer, but when I first started my channel, I didn't expect anybody to watch it. I thought it would grow eventually, but like not at the pace it did. So it's still mind-blowing to me that people are inspired by my videos. I started my channel mainly just because I want it to be in a community full of like people who liked makeup, and I just wanted to learn from each other and stuff. But like, okay, first of all, people learned things from me. Like, they were like, oh, you helped me learn how to do a cut crease on my eyes, which is, wow, you're welcome. Said that they were inspired by me to create a channel, a YouTube channel, which I was like, whoa, because I think a lot of people will say this, but I was inspired by Michelle Phan to create a channel because I've been watching her videos for a really long time. Ever since I was like 9 or 10. I would watch her videos and I was like, wow, I wish I could make a YouTube. And you know, I did it. So like, it's just weird to me that I'm that like figure in somebody's life. So thanks for letting me be a positive influence in your life. Now I'm gonna get into more like advice-y type of stuff. So first of all, I'm gonna say start with the best quality possible. You probably know by now, like if you're about to start a YouTube, there are a lot of people trying to start a YouTube. Actually, before I started a YouTube, I had a friend who told me that there were too many people on YouTube and that it was too late to start. Well, first of all, no. It's not too late to start. It never is. I mean, it's not like there's a capacity to YouTube. No, there's not. There are a lot of people on this planet. There's gonna be some people who enjoy your content and appreciate it. So no, it's never too late to start. I'm just saying now, when you do start with the best quality possible. So it took me about a year after creating my channel to actually post a video. And that's because it took me a year to convince my parents to buy me a camera. Because I was a senior in high school and my parents, they really value education, so they were like, focus on school. I wasn't allowed to have a job, so I finally convinced them to get me a camera. I was filming on like my phone and like a really old point and shoot camera, just trial and error videos. So yeah, it took me a year to start my channel, and that's because you know there's gonna be a lot of people on YouTube like trying to create a YouTube. Who would you rather subscribe to? Somebody who is filming on their webcam or somebody who is filming with a DSLR? You'd rather watch the better quality video because you can just see everything better. So I'd say start with the best quality possible. Obviously you don't have to have like a Canon DSLR or anything like that, but you can definitely get maybe like a Sony a5100. That's my vlogging camera. It's a small little mirrorless camera. Even if you have like an iPhone 8 or something, the iPhone 8 has 4K video quality, so that's really good as well. Yeah, I'm still using the same camera that I started with this year, and the same audio, the same lens and everything. I just got a new lens, but I only use it for like product shots. So yeah, my setup is currently I have one light here and 2 umbrella lights on the side, and then I have a huge window in front of me. I used to think that I could get rid of the window and just use like the artificial lighting, but natural sunlight is the best lighting. I started with my first few videos just being natural daylight, so no umbrella lights, nothing like that. So if you don't have the budget, like you spend all of your money on your camera and your editing software and you don't have enough money left for lighting, just use natural daylight. Next, my advice is to interact with your community. And I don't mean community as in only your subscribers, I mean like the beauty community. So comment on other people's videos, like their videos, like support each other, you know? And not only is that helping somebody else, it's gonna help you like bring viewers to your channel as well, because their viewers will see your comments, and after you get verified, your comments usually stand out more because people are like, oh, who's this? They're verified. So make sure you comment on other people's videos. My next advice is to not get lost in the numbers. That's something I learned this year as well. At one point, I really focused a lot on the numbers. If you're gonna try to become an influencer, you should do stuff that makes you happy, right? Otherwise, it's just gonna get so boring and you're just not gonna enjoy your job. I see it happen with so many YouTubers. It's like in school when you're getting taught by a teacher who doesn't like their job, and then you just don't like the subject. So viewers aren't gonna enjoy your content if you're not enjoying making it. You'll start putting less effort into it. It's just gonna be like overall bad. So try not to get lost in the numbers. Just do what you want. Next, I'm gonna say don't monetize your videos when you're starting out. Most of you guys already know this. I think I have like a total of 2 videos monetized on my channel, and after that I decided not to do it ever again, because first of all, advertisements, like I don't like advertisements, and also I like using the music I like in my videos, so I can't monetize them anyways, most of them. But when you're monetizing your videos, it puts ads in them, and then people just, it drives viewers away. Also, YouTube doesn't pay much, like AdSense does not pay much at all. Yeah, I would say not to monetize your videos when you're starting out, just because when you're starting out, you're trying to get people to like find your channel, not like make money. And then the last advice I have is to put out the best content possible every time you upload. So my videos, I'd like to say they've improved over a year. Like compared to my first video, I feel like my latest makeup tutorial is a lot better. I've seen it so many times when people post a video and they're like, oh, this isn't that great, or like, this is an embarrassing tutorial, but I'm gonna post it anyways. It just shows that you don't really care about your channel, and people won't like watching stuff that you don't like putting out yourself. So I think viewers really appreciate when you're trying your best, and if it's embarrassing, you're gonna delete it anyways, so it's a waste of time and effort to post it. Also, if you're putting out your best content every single time that you upload, you're gonna be constantly improving. So that's all the advice I have written down. If you guys also want me to explain how I edit my YouTube thumbnails, or like my process for making and uploading a video, I can also do that. So yeah, just let me know if you guys want to see that. I'll probably leave a poll up here. So what we're covering next is probably the reason why you're here. It's the giveaway. So I've been planning this for so long and I'm so excited. I've been planning this video for at least a month now. There's gonna be 3 winners. So first of all, I'm gonna cover the rules and then I'll show you everything that you're winning, okay? So rule number 1, you have to be subscribed to my channel because this is a giveaway for my subscribers. Rule number 2 is to leave a comment. Just let me know what you're looking forward to in 2018, like I'm looking forward to the new Maze Runner movie. My mom has been looking forward to that ever since the last movie. We all want to know what happens to Ki Hong Lee. And then that's basically it. You can like the video if you want. That would be nice. Thank you if you like the video. And then for an extra entry, you can follow me on Instagram at Jessie Lux. And if you do that, make sure to leave your Instagram handle in the comment you leave on this video. So now I'm gonna show you everything that each winner is gonna win. I know most of you guys are into K-beauty and Korean makeup, so I got a bunch of K-beauty products for you guys, which was all provided by YesStyle, so thank you YesStyle. I also have a discount code if you guys want to use it. I'll leave it in the description box down below, but hopefully you won't have to use it because you'll win, right? First, I'm gonna show you what the third winner got. I'll start with skincare first because I got you guys a lot of that. So you'll get the COSRX Acne Pimple Master Patches. These are basically the stickers that you put on like a zit if you want to flatten it out. These are super helpful when you have like a big event coming up, like the next day, and you want to be able to wear makeup over a zit. And then you'll also get the collagen eye patches from Etude House. And then just a few sheet masks like the snail mask, a few masks from Innisfree too, Holika, the pearl mask, and then from Apu, the green tea mask. I thought I'd also throw in the super volcanic pore clay mask from Innisfree because this stuff works so well. I love it. I talked about this in my prom vlog and I always post about it on Snapchat. My Snapchat is LuxJessie if you want to follow me on there. And then also the Laneige Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask in grapefruit. So this is like a mask but for your lips. And then you'll also be getting a cat ears headband. It's just for like when you're doing your skincare or your makeup, you can just put your hair up out of your face. Next is the Holika Lazy and Joy Cream Cheese Hand Cream. I'm gonna try to go through these pretty fast because I mean there's a lot of stuff to go over, so I'm not gonna try to like focus on every product. So yeah, this is just a hand cream. And then there's this blackhead nose pack. So it's supposed to like clean out your pores and blackheads. I've heard this is good, so I picked it up, but I haven't actually tried this out myself. For makeup, I picked up the Peri Para Ink Velvet Lip Tints. I mean, I love this stuff, especially this is the one I use the most. It's Spring Orange. I try to get colors that everybody would like, so I mean, I picked this one up because I know you guys always ask me about it. And then Sell Out Red because I think anybody can wear a red lip. I haven't tried the Airy Ink Velvets from Peri Para yet, but I've heard these are like really good, so. This is an e.l.f. Light Rose. And then also from Peri Para, the Ink Color Cara. I know these are really popular, so I picked one of these up too. This is the Etude House Dear Darling Water Gel Tint in Watermelon Red. Next, I'm gonna show you everything from Pony Effect. So this is the Favorite Fluid Lip Tint from Pony Effect, and it's in the color Fatal Allure. So it's a red lip tint, basically. Also the Contour Lip Color from Pony Effect. This is in Adventurous, which is more of a corally kind of red. Also the Galaxy Pony Blush. And then also the Strobing Luminizer from Pony Effect. This is like a liquid highlighter. Next is the Pony Shine Easy Glam eyeshadow palette. So I'm not gonna open it, but you guys can look it up, or like maybe I'll insert a picture to show you what it looks like. I think the colors in this are really pretty. I think everybody will like this eyeshadow palette, so that's why I chose it. So that's it for Pony Effect. Now I'm gonna show you what I got from 3 Concept Eyes. These are the one color shadows that I mentioned in my Seoul vlog. These are so pigmented and the pan size is really large, so you get a lot of product. They remind me of the Makeup Forever single shadows, but they're way cheaper. So this is Toma Red and Yolk. So it's a red shade and a yellow shade. Also from 3 Concept Eyes, this is the Mesh Brush Kit. It's a lot smaller than I expected it to be, but this is basically a mesh makeup bag with the 3 Concept Eyes logo on it. And then there are 3 brushes inside. And then this is the Innisfree Skinny Waterproof Micro Cara. This has a really tiny wand size. I tried it out recently. This is mine, and I'll show you what it looks like. So the wand size is really small, and I really like it, especially since my lower lashes are really tiny. So it really helps you get like all of it. And then from Etude House, this is the Look at My Eyes RD303. And this is the lovely cookie blusher in grapefruit jelly. I've been using the Etude House cookie blusher recently. I used it in my latest makeup tutorial and I really like it. It's not very pigmented, but I've been really into pastel blushes lately. And then the last thing you'll win is another blush. So it's actually a cushion blush from Aritaum, and it's in the shade number 3. Okay, so that's everything that the third winner will get. And then the second winner gets all of that, plus the Etude House Look at My Eyes single shadow in PK007, which is a shimmery like champagne color. And then you'll also get the 3 Concept Eyes Style Nanda Sparkling Liquid Pigment in the shade Staring. So the Holika hand creams actually came in a set of 3, so I just split it up so each winner gets a different one. So the second winner will actually get the custard hand cream, and then the first winner will get the sherbet hand cream. So yeah, that's everything that the second winner gets. The first winner will get all of that, plus this Mask House special mask variety set, which has 6 more sheet masks in it. And then also the 3 Concept Eyes Under Eye Flash. It's like a shimmery eye pencil that you can use for your inner corner. And then first place will also get the Duo Color Face Blush from Style Nanda. This is like a pink and a purple. I saw the pictures on their website and it looked really pretty, so. And then they'll also get the My Beauty Tool Cotton Puffs from Etude House. They're just basic cotton puffs, but the packaging is cute, so. Now moving on to other like non-K-beauty. Vanity Planet Ultimate Skin Spa. I mentioned this in my prom vlog. So ever since I started my channel, I've been using Sigma brushes. I've always used Sigma brushes. They were my first ever makeup brushes and they're just my favorite. So this is the Best of Sigma brush set. In here is just the flat kabuki, the precision flat angled, soft blend concealer, firm shader, diffused crease, domed utility, and smudge brush. Sigma sent over their liquid lipsticks as well. So these are the shades you'll get: New Mod and Foxglove. So one is like a nude and then one is a purple. So I recently got the Beauty Blender All About Face kit. So this has the original, the blusher, and the micro beauty sponge, and then also the solid cleanser. And then you'll also be getting this huge box of makeup. This is from Pretty Vulgar. They're a pretty new brand, and they were kind enough to send this huge box of makeup for me to give to you guys. So this is for the first place winner. So up here is eyeshadow palettes, eyeliners, tinted lip balms, and then the second section is lip gloss, highlighters, matte lipsticks, and then you'll also be getting this box too, so it's a really pretty box. And then down here there's a setting spray, and then eyeliners, brow brushes, yeah. So that's everything for the giveaway. I feel like I didn't say thank you enough. Thank you so much for watching. 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 Thank you so much for watching and subscribing and supporting me for this entire year. It's been so crazy just this entire year on YouTube. It's opened so many doors for me. I hope my advice helped you guys, because if you are thinking about making a channel, I highly encourage you do it. So if you liked this video, remember to like, comment, and I hope you're already subscribed. And if you liked me, remember to follow me on all my social media, which will be linked in the description box down below. And I will see you in my next video.